All right, section 5 is settling the Cape Fear region. All right, your words to know: naval stores, bounty, and what is going to be a royal colony. Your essential question, like always. All right, make sure you do it with a Cornell T. Remember, essential question. There you go. Goes on the left-hand side of the Cornell T. Your summary statement's always going at the bottom. Your words to know and information go in to the right. Your essential question: how and why was the Cape Fear region settled? Remember, this is Cape Fear region, North Carolina. So why are we going to settle and colonize in this region? All right. Okay. Cape Fear region. This red line to the right represents the Cape Fear region. If you see Wilmington, this is where it's at. So this is the Cape Fear River that flows by Wilmington out into the Atlantic Ocean. All right, we got North Carolina, South Carolina, both right here. All right. All right. Settlers use this area for economic resources. Well, when you hear the word economic, we're going to definitely think about the word money. So all economic resources deal with money. All right. Growing rice is a major natural resource that was grown along the Cape Fear River in downtown Wilmington, definitely. All right, naval stores, one of your keywords to know. I would definitely make sure I knew what this word meant. Definitely. You definitely need to know it. All right, naval stores are tar, pitch, and turpentine. All these were in the making of shipbuilding. All right, so tar, pitch, and turpentine. These three were the main three things or resources used to keep the ships from leaking. All right, and then the last one, the land was first settled by Maurice and James Moore, 1723. They ended up having over 80,000 acres. All right, blank patents. All right, governors took land deeds. These land deeds were also the blank patents. All right, sold them without knowing the location and amount of land. Pretty much, he was selling land and giving land that he didn't own. He pretty much was stealing the land. All right, or stealing the money, giving free land away. All right, the Moore family took over 80,000 acres. What's going to happen? The governor of North Carolina is going to ask him to step down. The frustrated 8 Lord Proprietors, remember these are the 8 people in charge, sold out their ownership of the rebellious colony. North Carolina is going to become, one of your key words to know, a royal colony. Royal meaning belonging to the king. Royal being belonging directly to the king. Okay, there wasn't many royal colonies, but North Carolina is going to be a royal colony. Make sure you know land deeds and royal colony. All right. The Lord Proprietorship ends. The 8 Lord Proprietors. All right, 1729. The King of England, King George II, bought back North and South Carolina. These were both royal colonies. Okay, remember North Carolina separated. North Carolina, South Carolina. Okay, Lord Granville refused to give up his 8th. He was the only Lord Proprietor not going to give up his colony and the money. All right, the king ruled the entire colony but only got 7/8. So the king over here on the right, okay, is going to get 7/8 the money back. Well, who's going to get the other 1/8? Well, that's Lord Granville, because he's going to keep his 1/8 of the colony. King's not going to be very happy about him keeping this. Okay, recap, review, how and why was Cape Fear River settled? Well, we had abundance of rice. Okay, know your naval stores, tar, pitch, and turpentine. Why were South Carolinians angry at the Cape Fear region? All right, because the king bought it back, gave it a royal colony. And when did North Carolina become a royal colony? Well, that's something you should have to know.